Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today I am using for this weekly tarot session Rider-Waite tarot cards, Atlantis card, and I am using crystals. Crystals also give very good messages. You need to know how to interpret it. As far as the law of attraction goes this week, I think you have practiced one thing. The first one I have told that you have to be optimistic to attract the law of attraction. Second thing, you have to think what you actually need. Third thing, you have to clear the space. That also I have told you. Now the actual, we will go into the law of attraction manifestation process. In this law of attraction manifestation process, you have to think that what you have got, need that you have already got. Yes, this is so simple that if you want to manifest money, then you should think that you have already got the money. And see, it's so simple. One of your friend or someone you trust most has promised you to give some money for some of your expenses, and you trust him that he is a person or she is a person if she gives a word, and it is. So in that case, when you have a financial crunch or something, that person promises you that I am giving you this money, so be without fear, that take care of all other works, I am there to support you. In that case, how much trust you put on that person, and you think that I was waiting for the money and I have got it. The only thing is, he said he will today get the money for me. So in that circumstances, how much trust you put? In the similar way, when you can trust a human being, why can't you trust the universe? It is given in the scriptures. You ask, it will be given. You knock, it will be opened. The similar way, the universe is ready to give you. It's up to you to take up it. Just have to believe it, that I am going to ask with full intention and I am going to get it. So with that confidence, whatever you want to manifest, just first you think that you have already got it and you will get it. This process of mind changing, of processing your mind, or little homework you do. So this week you do this. By next week I will tell you actually what you need to actually put on the words, how you put the words and how you manifest it. So let's quickly go into the session. So first I would like to tell you that I am a tarot reader, numerologist, Reiki master, healer and life coach. You can approach me for any personal problems of yours. I am also a golden Reiki healer. Golden healing is a highest range of healing which is new to people, but it is the zenith of healing. And also I am a member of 144 Golden Grid Conscious member. So golden healing becomes the highest range of healing, which helps to overcome with intentional healing. So rather than any symbols or any type of healing, I do intentional healing for quick remedies and all. So you can anytime contact me. So we will go into the session. Let's check the energies for Pisces. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe. We post card of the day in Instagram and Twitter. You can follow us. The link is given in the description box. In health context, you have got Knight of Cups. Career and business, you have got Ace of Swords, heavy cards. In relationship, you have got Two of Swords. Guidance crystal, you have got fluorite. And in Atlantis card, you have got fifth dimension. Knight of Cups in the health context says that you will get a very good health service provider or a good advice from someone who will guide you to overcome any health issues. Alternatively, if you are searching for some good diet, you will get a good dietitian. If you want a lifestyle change, you will get some coach in life who will help you to follow lifestyle modifications and all. So on the whole, when we see, this card is an excellent card for health, which gives good news coming in the way to pick up good health and make good health. 90% positivity. Ace of Swords in the career and business context, finances says victory, success. And if you are searching for any job, you will get. If you are in job, you will get promotion, you will get success, your plans will succeed and you will get lot of money in return. And if you are into share market, you will get unexpected money from several sources. That's what this card says. 90% positive. Be very happy. Pay gratitude to the universe that it has given you such a good news. Two of Swords in the relationship says that there is some confusion in your relationship. You have to keep your mind calm and take decision without any prejudice that this may be that, that may be that. Don't take anything. Impartial decision is needed in your relationship. That's what this card says. If you take wrong decision, the result will be wrong. Only 20% positivity. And in Atlantis card, you have got fifth dimension. If you want someone to see your side of an argument, make sure you listen to this. Act towards others as you would like to be treated. So this is what this card says. This card also says some tensions. So rather than with prejudice that this is the, I assume that this is the reason. No, not like that. Think others in as you are in that position and take a wise decision. That's what this card says. So rather than having your own assumption, treat your partner or whomever the relationship is uncertain or sore, think them as you are in that position and take the decision. That's what this card says. And fluorite is a crystal getting in the reading says that life is going to change. Some very good news is going to come. Happiness is going to come. Life of rainbow colors is going to come. What all is going on in your life is a temporary one. Things are going to change and everything is for your own good. Happiness is ahead. So enjoy, guys.